Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to talk about how to learn affiliate marketing. Alright, how do you actually properly learn affiliate marketing? Alright, now you've probably tried it out on your own, alright, and you're struggling in some point, alright, or you're completely new and you landed on this video just to find out how to learn it. Either way, this video is going to be very helpful for you, alright? Now, I've already laid out the three most important things that we're going to talk about in this video, alright? We're going to talk about them in great detail, but before that, if you're interested in a step-by-step blueprint, an A to Z guide on how to build your affiliate marketing business that consistently brings sales and profits, then just grab my 4-day video series. It's completely free, you get full access to it, alright? It's literally in the description below, is the first link over there. So if you're interested, go ahead and grab it. I'll see you over there. Now, let's get back to our today's topic. How do you actually learn affiliate marketing? So the first step is you find a mentor. Now, a mentor is somebody who already achieved what you're trying to achieve, alright? Now, with affiliate marketing, it is somebody who is an affiliate marketer, alright, who is ahead of you, alright, and you can just kind of like follow in their footsteps, okay? And the reason behind that is it's always easier to follow in the footsteps of somebody who's achieved it than to kind of like reinvent the wheel on your own, okay? To kind of like, again, learn it literally from scratch, you know, to the success, okay? It's always easier to follow in the footsteps of somebody. Now, with affiliate marketing, in our case affiliate marketing, it is going to be some kind of a training course or something that literally teaches you how to go step by step with affiliate marketing, alright? How do you do that? Now, important thing, I need to stress it out over here, is that if you get a mentor just like this one and you get a course from this guy, from this mentor, commit to the course, alright? Commit to the course and do the actions that this course is actually asking you to do, okay? Don't just go through it and watch the videos or whatever it is and don't do anything. Do the actions that is asking you to do. I'm going to talk about actions and everything in our last step, alright? But I wanted to stress this out over here as well, okay? So find the mentor is number one. Number two, don't be cheap on your journey. Now, guys, I need to stress this out really high because it's very important. Many people, when we talk about online business, many people are trying to, you know, make it online for free, you know, without kind of like investing anything or investing very little, which from one point of view I understand it, and you know, I was pretty much very similar to that. I wanted to save every single buck, but the thing is that if you would be creating your, you know, e-shop or something, you know, you wouldn't go on Shopify and negotiate with Shopify that you're not going to pay 20 bucks, but you're going to pay only 15 bucks, okay? You wouldn't negotiate with them or anything. You would just pay 20 bucks, the asking price they are asking you to do, okay? And it's exactly the same with affiliate marketing. There are certain things that you will need to purchase, that you will need to invest into in order to operate in your business, all right? And that's just how it is. That's just how it is with any business at all, okay? If you would be in a, I don't know, in a brick and mortar store, you need to pay the rent as well, okay? So that's just how it works. Now, a great example is that I like to use is, you know, when you go out in a clubbing or whatever it is, okay, maybe not now clubbing, but you know, before this whole global situation, you would go out for clubbing, right? It's very easy to spend, I don't know, on a weekend maybe $50 or even 100, you know, depending on the night, right? And if you go out every single week, that's like $400 a month, right? That you just kind of like, I don't want to say it like that, but it's kind of like wasting, okay? It's not an investment, it's just you use it for that particular moment. While when you invest into your business, when you put that money into your business, it's an investment, okay? You're investing into your business for the long term, for the future, right? Future might be even tomorrow, okay? And good thing is that it's also investment into yourself because you're learning something new, okay? You're getting new experience, new skills, and that's something that's going to stay with you for a long time, okay? So that's the difference when you think about it, you know, when you go out, you know, and you invest in the present moment and when you invest for the future. And good thing about affiliate marketing is that it's not going to cost you even $400, okay? It's going to be way less than that. All right, so that's number 2, don't be cheap. Now, our third point is probably the most important one out of these 3 is take massive action and get out of your comfort zone. It's in one point. All right, the reason why is that you know, you can have the greatest mentor, you can invest bunch of money or have bunch of money, okay, but if you're not going to do any action, if you're not going to take the action that the mentor is asking you to do, all right, you're not going to see any results. All right, that's just how it is, you know. It's a law of physics pretty much, you know. The action creates a reaction. All right, if you don't do any action, you're not going to get any reaction. All right, so you know, your results that you want to achieve are the reaction that you want from your actions, right? So you will need to do certain actions, you know. It's, you know, you can even, you know, sit down, you can imagine your goals, you can wish for it, you can pray for it, you can visualize for it, but if you're not going to do any action, you're not going to see any results. Now, why is here get out of your comfort zone? Get out of your comfort zone is over here because if you're going to start with affiliate marketing and you're new to it, obviously, right? It's something new that you're going to do. You're going to be asked to do certain things that you're not used to do, all right? That's just how it is. That's just, you know, if you're starting with something new, that's just how it is. You will need to do something that is new to you, new actions, right? Now, if you're following a training and you're not asked to get out of your comfort zone, it's probably the wrong course, all right? So that's just like one point to mention, okay? You will need to get out of your comfort zone, and that's completely fine because it's just, you know, you want different results, okay, which are out of your comfort zone. So therefore you will need to get out of your comfort zone and do the actions which are out of your comfort zone, all right? Hope that makes sense. Now, is it going to be difficult? Yes and no. You will get that feeling that you're, you know, afraid or scared of something to do. You know, you will maybe be asked to record a video just like this one, all right? That might be scareful. But the good thing is that that fear is just an indicator that this is something new to you. It's not an indication that, oh, don't do this, right? It's just indication that, hold on a sec, we don't know anything about this. We don't know what to expect from it. This is something new. All right, so that's just a very important thing to remember. Fear is just an indication that, you know, something is new. We don't know what to expect, and that's completely fine because you are doing something new. Okay, you don't have the experience with it yet, all right, but you know what to expect, all right, because you have the course, you're following it, and at the end of the course, if you do the actions, you will get the results that you were pretty much told to do, all right? So you know what to expect, it's just you don't have that experience with it, all right? So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. I hope you got lots of value from it. Hope you liked this video. Give me thumbs up if you did, all right? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. What are the biggest struggles that you have? All right, what are maybe the biggest fears you're facing? Okay, are you getting out of your comfort zone? Let me know in the comment section below. And listen, guys, if you're interested in a step-by-step blueprint, literally A to Z, how to build your affiliate marketing business that consistently brings the profits, all right, and sales. Obviously, I cannot lay it out in one single short YouTube video, but that's why I have the 4-day video series where I go in great detail on that, and it's pretty much completely for free, you know. Take it as an extension of this video. All right, so if you're interested in that, go ahead, grab it in the link in the description below, and if so, I will see you over there. If not, I wish you a great rest of the week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.